Hello, this is James. My amateur call sign is KG5PTE. I'm coming to you from Belton, Texas on Saturday, July 22nd, 2023. I'm running a Dell G-3-15 Windows 11 laptop, running Microsoft Windows 11 version 22H2. And I am looking at something that happened here just now that's kind of weird. Reset this computer, and I'm putting all my apps back on there, and I installed this Yaesu WIRES-X software for my Yaesu FTM100 radio and Yaesu HRI-200 WIRES-X controller, or box, whatever you want to call it. And it's running good. Been running pretty good. The driver's installed. So you come over here and you see HRI-200 communication devices. And if you scroll down on the device manager and you look at everything, all your sound drivers are right. There's no errors. There's no exclamation marks. There's no anything out of the ordinary showing up here. Now here's where the problem happened. Just a little while ago, I installed my Smart SDR software driver for my Flex 6400 radio. And as soon as I did that, the WIRES-X and the HRI-200 went berserk. So when I launch this WIRES-X, watch what happens now. It comes up. Get this window out of the way, and it says error, opening mixer DEV ID equals 0. But everything seems like it's coming up and running. I got everything here. The radio just went on to frequency, and the radio is set for WIRES-X mode, FTM100, but it says error opening David, DEV IDs equals 0. And when I do this, will not be able to detect the HRI-200. You can reconnect the USB cable. Please restart your computer. And what's coming up is it seems like the HRI is looking at the Flex radio audio mixers, and it's not seeing what's in the device manager here for the HRI-200. If you notice, all the drivers are installed. Everything's working. Everything's set up. So how do I get this software right here, this program right here, this WIRES-X software, to properly see the HRI-200? And like I said, if I uninstall the Flex radio drivers, if I get rid of those and remove them, the problem will go away. But as long as these are installed, I've got problems. So I'd appreciate some advice. Thank you.